From the Tools menu, access the program options. In the General Preferences, among other features, you can set the default language and the backup and auto-save settings. On the interface page, you have a series of viewing options, and you can also change the graphical appearance of the program. Options for printing. Program settings for drag and drop and delete operations. The Tables section, where you can add other formulas that can be called up during measurement input. Other tables for weight definitions and any additional units of measure. In the Languages page, you can change the text strings that the program shows in the printouts for each document type and for each language. In the Print Templates section, you can customize the document page headers, the interim payment certificates, and other forms. All customizations can be automatically imported into the new versions of the program. Or return to original settings by restoring to default.